So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to print Microsoft Planner board. So the first thing you want to do is once you're logged in, go over to My Plans. Once you've clicked on that, let's open one of the plans. So from here you can see My Plans, then you can see the name of the plan. You can see grid, board, timeline, charts, people, goals, assignments, and many more options. So let's just click on board. So if you click on this, it's gonna look something like this. So from here, you can just go ahead and click on Control P in order to get to print options. You can also try through these options to get to print. So this will be the same as before. Just click on Control plus P and you'll print this entire screenshot or this page on your browser. The other way you can do this is to actually go to this view, and then after that is to export the entire plan to Excel, and then through there try to print out the Excel page. Since there isn't a clear-cut way to do that, you can also try going to the Microsoft Planner app. So there's a web app version on here, so you can see the application through there, and then try to locate the print button once you get to board view. But as I said previously, if you have a good enough layout of the board section, so the buckets are right there, or if they're not, you can just scroll a bit to the left, and then you can just click on Control P to basically print out that page. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Microsoft Planner or some other topics you might enjoy as well. See you guys in the next one. Goodbye.